County in West Central Texas.
It's got a tornado warning, man.
Central Daylight Time. It's 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm.
It is 4:29. This is not 4:20.
Near the Callahan County line.
4:30 would be better.
Southeast of Alpine, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated.
Got my stuff, a 522 to 520, flip 6, charge 5 wallet, power bank, so, phone in pocket.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Cross Plains and Burkett around 4:50.
His house flashing.
Cross at around 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include us 200.
Let's go check the 100, and here it is.
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes
I
can
already have a
develop
tornado
quickly
warning
from
under
severe thunderstorms.
notification, so.
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small
You
central
didn't
room
have to
in the
cut me off.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9
trying to
Central
gather my
Daylight
stuff
Time
just
for
in
West Central
case.
Texas. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Haskell and northwestern Throckmorton counties is canceled.
They're canceling everything now.
The warning has moved
Because even though we have a tornado warning, we don't have sirens in our city. So it's just, but it's all sunshine and rainbows still.
Central Texas.
So.